HYPERFORE's picking system ensures the efficient production of syrup. In the syrup manufacturing industry, the cleanliness and efficiency of the production line are of paramount importance. Due to the lack of a suitable method to handle the residual syrup in the pipeline for a long time, recovery and cleaning of the residual products in the pipeline requires a high amount of manpower and resources every time. HYPERFORE has successfully customized picking system solutions for several syrup manufacturers, helping reduce syrup waste in the production line, minimize residue, and prevent contamination. The product recovery rate of HYPERFORE picking system reached 99%, reducing the time of downtime for cleaning and improving the operation efficiency of the production line, reducing product waste and improving resource utilization. The installation of the picking system in the customer's factory. HYPERFORE's semi-automatic picking system consists of several parts. Low residue manual launching station, low residue manual receiving station, automation system software, the picks, control cabinets, pick detecting unit. HYPERFORE provides one-stop service for picking system project, process design, picking system, picking automation, installation, commissioning, personnel training, remote technical support. HYPERFORE has been deeply involved in the picking system industry for many years. Rich industry experience and professional team, advanced technical solutions, and personalized service capabilities. Perfect after-sales service and good industry reputation.